In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Naraka Bladepoint crash. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. I'm gonna teach you how to fix the game if you are playing it through Steam. You can also try to follow this method through the Epic Games Store or through the default launcher outside of Steam or Epic, but keep in mind that the first option that I'm gonna present you to fix your issue is going to be Steam only. So, first of all, before you even start following the instructions, make sure that your computer meets the minimum requirements for the game. Of course, you aren't going to be able to stably run the game if you can't even meet the minimum requirements. Ideally, you want to be on the recommended ones, but as long as you can open up the game, you should be good to go on the minimum requirements. Now, if you are trying to run the game through Steam, what I recommend that you do first is go to your library, right-click Naraka Bladepoint, and select Properties. In the properties for Naraka, switch over to Installed Files and make sure that you select Verify Integrity of Software Files. This will scan all the files that are installed on your computer from Naraka, and it's going to make sure that none of them are corrupted. If it detects any corrupted files that might be crashing your game, Steam is going to reinstall them. So all you have to do is click this option and wait to have the files reinstalled in case any of them are corrupted. After you've done this, try running up the game again, and if you are still having crashes, the last fix I recommend is to update your graphics driver. This will work for any store, Steam, Epic, or even the standalone launcher. You need to make sure that your NVIDIA or AMD graphical drivers are up to date, running the latest version available. By having your display drivers up to date, it is going to ensure that most games, including Naraka Bladepoint, won't crash and encounter issues. After you've done all these steps, you should be good to go as long as your computer meets the requirements for the game. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Naraka Bladepoint crash. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.